I'm Shannon and welcome to today's video, and today we're going to go over the very first Ipsy Glam Bag X that I got for February 2021. So if you aren't aware, Ipsy did change up their subscription a little bit. They now have an option called Glam Bag X, and anyone that has, I think, the Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus can upgrade their subscription once every quarter, and instead of receiving their Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus, they can receive the X bag. So for February and May will be the next one. I was able to upgrade. So a couple things that I did learn: if you happen to suspend your subscription, you get put on the waiting list. So if you suspend, so there was a lot of people that had signed up for the X bag and then suspended their subscription for January and reactivated it for February. They fell off the list because it is a limited edition bag or box. So a lot of people thought they were going to get it and didn't get it. I kept my January subscription, so I had no issues, but keep that in mind. So if you do have a Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus subscription and you suspend it the month before and you are expecting to get the Glam Bag X, you may not get it. So keep that in mind. There's still some questions of how this works and how it's, as far as, you know, suspending your membership or skipping a month. But keep that in mind that if you do want to get the Glam Bag X, then you may not want to suspend your subscription. So I'm going to get into it. So a little bit about this one. I do have an annual subscription. So basically I skipped the month and then I did pay $55. I didn't upgrade. I didn't have to pay like the difference. I actually just paid the $55, which is the cost of the Glam Bag X. And then my annual subscription was just extended a month. So it was kind of confusing how they did it. I thought it was just going to be a $30 upcharge, but no, I had to pay $55, and then my regular Glam Bag Plus subscription was just extended a month, and the same thing will happen in May. There's 8 full-size products in the Glam Bag X. 5 of them are chosen by Ipsy, and then you have 3 choice items. So just like the Glam Bag Plus, there's 3 choice items, but however, instead of 2 items, you're getting 5 items chosen by Ipsy. And most people received more or less the same thing, and I'll go through the differences in some of the choices. And this box was curated by Patrick Ta. So I was familiar with Patrick Ta. I never had any of his products, but this was curated by him. So with that, let's go ahead and start with the first item, and that is the Patrick Ta Monochrome blush and then I received She's Adorable. So here is the blush that I received, and you can see, I don't want to blind you here, but it's a really beautiful color. It's kind of like a peach, and it's a velvet blush. That's what I forgot to say. It's a really pretty color. I don't know if you can see it here. I actually forgot to wear it today. I put my blush on and forgot that I wanted to wear this. I have tried it a little bit. It's beautiful. It feels great. It really is just a gorgeous color. I had looked because I wasn't sure if they were going to give us an option as far as colors. So I had gone to Sephora and kind of looked. This was the one I wanted. There was no choice in colors. There was another choice that other people got, another color that people got. But there was no choice. You just were assigned a color, and I got She's Adorable, which was the one I wanted. I'm very happy. Other people got the brow wax. I would have been disappointed with that. I have enough brow products. I kind of like what I use. I don't think I would have used a brow wax, so I really wanted one of his blushes. So I'm very, very happy with this item. Okay, the second item in the Ipsy Glam Bag X is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Eyeshadow Palette. And this is worth $65. I forgot to mention the blush was worth $32. I was very happy. Now, everybody did receive this palette. This was the palette everyone received, and here it is. It's absolutely stunning. I only have one other Huda Beauty larger palette. I have the Desert Dusk, which I absolutely love. I've had a couple of her 9 pans. They're hit or miss, so I'm not getting any more. I've pretty much decluttered what I have. I still do have Desert Dusk. This is absolutely stunning. I'm loving this. This is such a color story that I love. It's got some warm tones, some some pink, some mauves, just a really gorgeous palette. And then the shimmers at the top are just incredible. So this alone is worth $65. And again, the box was $55. So this alone right here makes the box worth it. So I was very, very happy to receive this. Can't wait to dig into this palette. Next up is the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara in Extreme Black. And this is worth $30. And here it is. And I'm wearing this today. I did remember to use this. And I usually wear false eyelashes. So I'm not wearing false eyelashes today. I wanted to use the mascara and use them, and I am really, really impressed. I really like it. The wand is really easy to work with. Now, I did recently get my eyelashes lifted. So I have like stick straight eyelashes. So I do get them tinted and I do get them lifted, which is basically a perm. You know, I get them permanently curled, and you have to do that like once a month as the lashes fall out. So I do have that, so that helped. But as far as the length, they're incredible. This is the wand. It is a really nice mascara. I haven't had a chance to, this is the first time I'm wearing it, so I haven't had a chance to see how it wears throughout the day. I am going to run some errands today, so I will see. But I love Pat McGrath. I love the eyeshadows. This is my first mascara, but I have heard really good things about this. I know Charlotte Holcraft really does like her mascaras, so I am anxious to continue to try this one. The next item chosen by Ipsy was the Complex Culture Sonic Tea Bar Facial Massager, and this is worth $58. Everyone also received this. Everyone did receive the mascara as well. Everyone received this. It's kind of like I didn't really know what to think of it. However, it does require a AA battery, and then you turn it. Let's see. There we go. Wait. Nope, maybe not. There we go. Okay, so it's a massager, so you kind of feel, and basically when you put your cream on at night or in the morning, you do this. So I used this morning. I always wake up with puffy eyes. I'm 44, and I use this when I put my cream on, and it really helped my eyes depuff a lot faster. So I've only used it one time. Let me go ahead and shut it off. I've only used it one time. Very, very impressed with it. I can see myself using this. It is something where you have to take time to use and put into your daily routine, but I can see where the thought of this is that it's going to increase collagen production, especially around, you know, the face, you know, your smile lines, your eyes. And with my eye cream, I used it with some serum at night to kind of work it in, and I really liked it. It felt really nice. If anything, it kind of is relaxing. Hopefully it does increase the collagen production. So I don't think this is something I would have bought on my own. I definitely wouldn't have paid $58 for it, but I am going to continue to try and use it and see if I see a difference. And the last item chosen by Ipsy is the About Face Painted Matte Lip Color in Last Goodnight, worth $22. So again, I forgot. I was getting really fast, and I forgot to put this on. I did try this though, and this stuff doesn't budge. It is a beautiful color. So there was two colors that people got. I got probably the more mauve tone, and you can see here, but this stuff, I will say, this stuff doesn't budge. I actually tried it on my hand a little bit, and I literally had to take soap and water to get it off. I did try it on my lips earlier, yesterday when I got the box, and it was, it really did last. So I think this is going to be something I'm definitely gonna try under my mask. I really do like it. I guess this is Halsey's brand. Not really familiar with her, probably a little younger for me as far as demographic, but I like it. I like the size, I like the packaging, and the color is gorgeous. So again, I don't know if I would have paid $22 for it, but it is definitely really good quality and a beautiful color. And now we're going to get into the choice items. So there was 3 choice items, just like there is in the Glam Bag Plus, 3 choice items. So each one, I think I had 6 choices. So let's go ahead and look at my choices, and then I'll tell you what I got. Here are my choices. First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with Amino Acids. Beautystat Universal Skin Refiner. GOLDFADEN MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. TOKYOMILK and Soul Hand Cream. R & Company Teacup Patcholine and Kombucha Detox Rinse, and Private Doctor Define Minus Serum. And I chose the Beautystat Universal C Skin Refiner. I love using vitamin C. I actually have one right now that I'm using for from Abaji, but it is quite expensive, so I would definitely want to try this one as soon as I use that one up. The last two items you will see were Glam Bag X exclusive, so that means they were only choices for the Glam Bag X. I chose something that was available also to Glam Bag Plus, but even though those were exclusives, I just chose what I wanted and what I knew I could use, and this was something I could use. So it was personally, I was very happy with the choices. I know a lot of people were disappointed that it was a lot of skincare. There wasn't a lot of makeup in the choices, and you'll see that going forward. That didn't disappoint me because there was so much makeup chosen for me in the bag that I was happy with more skincare. So I personally was very happy with my choices, and I was happy with what I selected. Okay, so now for my second choice items. My choices were the F.A.R.A.H Rendezvous Brush Set, Marmalade Nails Press-On Manicure Kit in Aria, the Creme Shop Urethral Glow Ampule Serum, Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, and Ahava Mineral Hand Cream in Cactus Pink Pepper, and Saints and Sinners Hair Illuminati Divine Shine Holographic Serum. And I chose the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It. If you follow any of my other videos, you will know I already have this. I think I got it in FabFitFun. I love this product. I absolutely love it. It is fantastic. Obviously, I haven't used this one. I absolutely love it. It's great in the morning. If you also put it in the refrigerator, you put it on your eyes, it really helps to puff. It does brighten your eyes. You can wear it under makeup. I usually put it on, again, for after I put my creams, after I wash my face in the morning, I put it on, and I can put concealer, color corrector, right on top of it, and it's fine. I love it. It's fantastic. So this is going to be a backup. I usually, and I've always said, if there's brushes, I get them. This was something that I decided to get instead of the brushes because I do love this product so much and I know I'm going to use it. Okay, so for my last choice item, here are my choices. The Ipsy Kiss and Makeup Clutch, Beauty Blender Original Sponge in Queen, Misho Beauty Nail Lacquer Duo in Manicured and Angel, Kitsch Velvet Scrunchies in Blush and Mauve, Complex Culture Angled Foundation Brush, or Babe Lash Essential Serum. And I chose the Beauty Blender. I've seen this, it's a beauty blender, but they're consistent. I go through them, they're $20. This is something I'm going to use. This is something that I'm going to have to repurchase. I actually just repurchased one, so this one is going to be a backup, but I go through these pretty quickly. I've tried other brands. I do like one from e.l.f., but I stick to the original Beauty Blender. To me, there's just not a better makeup sponge. Plus, I love the packaging with the little queen, because if you don't know, I'm a beauty queen. So I just loved it, and I know I'm going to use it, and it was a no-brainer for me. So that's it. That is my Ipsy Glam Bag X for February 2021. I was very happy with the selection. I was happy what was chosen for me. This was obviously the first. I'm very excited to what is going to be in the May Glam Bag X. Again, I know a lot of people were disappointed that it had a lot of skincare. A lot of people were upset that they had skipped the month of January and then did not receive the Glam Bag X. So I don't know. All I can say is I was very happy. The only thing I was unhappy about this month was the shipping. The shipping took forever. It wasn't shipped out. I think selection was February 2nd. It wasn't shipped out until the 11th. It is now February 25th, and I got it yesterday. So I got it February 24th. So I got it towards the end of the month. And I filmed these. I want to get this out as soon as possible. So, but again, even if you don't film it, you want to get your bag. You select the items on the 2nd, and then you see other people getting their boxes and their bags, and you just haven't, yours hasn't even been shipped yet. So that's the only thing that was disappointing. With Ipsy, it's been hit or miss. Some months it's like super fast. I get it on the 5th of the month. This time I get it on the 24th of the month. So, you know, that's the only thing I have to complain about, which really isn't a big deal. So with that, I will post a link below on how to sign up. And, you know, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you like this, and, you know, I will be reviewing, I guess we're going back to Glam Bag Plus for the month of March and April. And then in May, I will have another Glam Bag X. So with that, bye everyone.